Colorado has some of the lowest vaccination rates in the nation, and a new study says it's really costing us. 7 News reporter Lindsay Watts has more on that new report and alarming findings from school records you've obtained, Lindsay.
Teresa, what I have found here is in Denver public schools, more than 11,000 students are not up to date on their vaccinations. That's about 12% of all students. In the Boulder district, it's nearly 20%. This is a choice parents can make in Colorado, and a new study is looking at the consequences.
I was one of those parents that assumed that everyone in my child's daycare and school was being fully immunized.
Far from the truth in our state, where a new study shows hundreds of kids have to be hospitalized for vaccine-preventable diseases. More than 500 of them in 2013, and those medical bills were not cheap.
Over $29 million. And that's concerning because those numbers have gone up from the previous year.
Colorado kindergartners are the least likely in the country to be vaccinated for measles. This amid warnings that an outbreak which started at Disneyland and sickened over 100 people could get worse.
There is a small but growing vocal minority of parents who have a very strongly held belief.
How do you do it?
Some parents believe vaccines are so toxic, they'd rather risk serious illness.
Some kids have such adverse effects to them. You know, if you go online and you read, there's horrific stories.
It is true that some kids are allergic and have bad reactions to vaccines.
Just like any other medical intervention, there are risks, and of course, you make a decision with your provider.
Stephanie Wasserman heads a nonprofit that partnered with Children's Hospital on the Colorado immunization study. She says their data shows in 2013, only 3 kids were hospitalized for vaccine-related problems.
The benefit of vaccines far outweigh the risks, and that we have a very, very effective vaccine safety system.
A Colorado law passed just last year says schools and licensed daycares must make vaccination rates like these available to the public, not only to the media, but to parents as well. All you have to do is ask. We're live tonight. Lindsay Watts, 7 News.